Look who just joined me for my tour. Hey, baby. Hey. Yeah, Booth. You're such a sweet one. So before I start, just want to kind of give you guys a look-see. And this is the new baby that I bought right here. This is not my cat. However, she's like very, very loving, and I've been feeding her, so of course she's really, really loving. But this is the big reveal. So today I am going to be cleaning the yard, doing a lot of yard cleaning. I'm focused on the front, and then I'll work my way on the side and the back. But yeah, that's where we are right now. Brand new house. Let's see. Zoom in. You see the soffit damage? You can see it all along right here, and it goes around the entire perimeter of the house. So how that occurred is because I actually have gutters inside the soffits, and back then it used to be like the brand new technology. Problem is that when the gutters break down, you don't know that they're broken, and this is what happened. Wood rot happens. So I have a professional coming in, a historical restoration guy, and yeah, this is gonna look nice. Okay, so this is the new property. You can hear people in the background because I have some people are moving out in the back. So anyways, this is the front door. You enter here, and this is the first level right here. So you can see some installation work has been done, some wiring, new wiring, because all the knob and tube have been pulled out. And then they have pocket doors right here. And these are original to the house. This house is from 1910. And then this right here is the dining room. In this area, I boarded up the windows just so that, you know, people can't get in, and then also to make it look nice from the front, I put temporary blinds so you don't just see it boarded up. This is the back right here, and this is going to be a mudroom. We're getting rid of this pipe that would have been the kitchen, but obviously I don't want a kitchen right here by the door. That just doesn't make sense. It's very tight. And then they had this built out to be a full bathroom. So you can see this was going to be the toilet, this was going to be the shower, and that's vanity. But what we're going to do instead is make this a half bathroom. This is going to be the entrance to that half bath. Get rid of the shower, move the toilet over, and then the vanity. And then that's the bathroom. And that's great because when you come through the back door, you go straight into the bathroom. Right here's the washer and dryer. Right here. And so as you enter into this new space, this used to be the end of the house, and then this is an addition onto the home. And so this is what you see right now. This wall is coming out completely. Getting rid of that, and this whole entire space will now become the kitchen. There's cabinets in here, but these cabinets I am not going to keep. These ones are going to go in the back cottage. So I have a cottage back here, and these will be the kitchen cabinets for that there. This is coming out as well. We wrote notes. I don't know if you can see it. We wrote notes, whatnot. And then this is like a sitting room right here, and then the basement, which closed doors. So this is going to be the sitting room right here. Nothing's really wrong except this little area right here that we need to patch, but that's pretty much it. Then we go up the stairs, and this wall had to be ripped out because they were doing the wiring. Go up the stairs. I think I was shaking a lot. This is one of the guest bedrooms in here. Sand the floor, refinish it, paint the walls. That's pretty much it in this room. Perhaps you can't see it that well from that angle. This door is being closed off to separate the two rooms because I just don't want everything running together. This door is going to be salvaged. As you see our writing right here, this is going to be the door to the master bedroom bathroom. This is the second bedroom right here. Again, not much that needs to be done, just sand the floors, refinish them, and then paint the walls. But other than that, the room is in pretty good shape. All right, here goes where all the mess goes. So this hallway right here, when you come up the stairs, I just took you in this direction. This entrance right here goes away completely. So you don't see that anymore. And the new bathroom for the 2 bedrooms right here will be where the hall closet is. This whole wall goes away, and that closet on the other side, right here, this closet goes away. And this now becomes the new bathroom to service the 2 guest bedrooms. And then this is the master suite right here. This floor needs to be sanded down, and then all the ceilings are coming out because there's a lot of damage to the ceilings. I didn't show you the hallway, but there's a lot of damage to the ceilings. This wall goes away completely. And then this is the new door into my bathroom. You can see some lines that my contractor wrote. Door. Oh, it's not focusing. There you go. Door. So that he knows there's a door right here. This is a structural wall. So a takeout wall. And this is the drawing right here. We wrote, you know, what to salvage. I'm salvaging, even though I'm not using these doors, I'm salvaging all the doors so that I can donate them and somebody else can use them in their own house, in their own project. So this right here, this is now a new wall. So this whole area right here would be like a standing built-in closet. And then right now, we would be standing in my shower. So you can see shower wall. So this will be walled in like this. And I'm standing in the shower right now. And like I said, this is going to be closed off, so you won't have access. And then this will be a standing tub right here where this shower is sitting right now. And then the tub, we're salvaging that, using it into the guest bedroom. This is the entrance, new entrance into my master bathroom. This vanity is going downstairs in the powder room, but this whole area becomes now like my vanity, toilet, and that's it. So right now, this is the decor that's happening within here. I know I talked through that really quickly, but you'll see as the progress goes along. So he's been following me around as I'm doing the walkthrough in the last couple of days. But he gets distracted very easily. Come on, baby. Come on. So I just wanted to take a look at these cabinets and like, that's that, that's that. Okay, the solid front. Okay. You just ate. I swear I just fed the kitten. I really did. I know. All right, I gotta go this way, boo. Okay. So trying to get a look at it, of each of these cabinet fronts. So I know what I'm looking at. Okay. And then these are all the spacers and stuff. I think this is solid. Yep, that's solid. Okay, and these are drawer fronts. Drawer front, 30. I think that's a 15. And then that's a 12. Okay. All right. We got it all. You ready to go? Come on. He likes to get up underneath my feet.